Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to implement slow motion and fast motion effects in Unity using just a few lines of code. How Unity controls time in your game. Unity uses a variable called TimeScale to manage the speed at which your game runs. By default, this value is set to 1, meaning the game runs at normal speed. If you set it to a lower number, like 0.3, the game slows down, creating that famous slow motion effect. If you increase it above 1, the game speeds up. You can clearly see the difference between normal, slow, and fast speeds. There are 3 values on the screen: slow, normal, and fast. When you click slow, the game slows down. When you click fast, everything speeds up. And of course, normal returns it back to regular speed. We use the time-time-scale to control the overall speed of the game. But because Unity's physics system runs in fixed time steps, we also adjust time, fixed delta time, accordingly. This ensures that physics calculations stay stable and consistent even when the game speed changes. Without this adjustment, physics might behave unpredictably in slow or fast motion. Remember, when you use time-scale, all time-dependent systems in your game will be affected. This includes animations, physics, UI animations, and more. If you want to exclude some parts, you'll need to handle those separately. Slow motion and fast motion effects are widely used in games to create dramatic moments, emphasize action, or simply add variety to gameplay. You might see slow motion during an epic jump or explosion, or fast motion to speed up boring parts, like waiting or traveling. 2. Make the timescale effect clearly visible. I attached this simple movement script to a cube. I also added a trail renderer to the cube to make the motion effect more visible. It helps emphasize the movement, especially during slow and fast motion. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Unity tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.